Army Research Lab up at Aberdeen Proving Ground. I am in the lethality division in the lethal mechanisms branch. Typically, that entails working with weapon systems and things like that and developing the next generation of equipment for our warfighter. So Army Research Lab, because we are a science powerhouse, a lot of the employees there have PhDs. So if you are not coming into it with that level, it's always helpful to at least think about how you can get a PhD through work. So the SMART Scholarship is great in that regard. We have this awesome opportunity to go back to school and advance ourselves personally, as well as try and increase our skills that we have that can help us at work. So we try and find programs that are related directly to what we do and at Army Research Lab, and then go to those programs, get the degrees we need to do a better job, and then come back and keep on it. For the first year that I was here at school, because I did not have the scholarship, I was doing that part-time thing where you go to work half the day and then you come to school half the day. And I can tell you that it's a nightmare. Like, it's very, very difficult, especially at the PhD level. There's quite a bit of work that goes into it. Pretty much you need the entire day to just sit there and think. So not having to split time between work and school in that regard is extremely useful. It's extremely important, I would say. And the scholarship allows me to do that. If you are in the SMART Scholarship for 3 years, then you have to come and work for 3 years at the sponsoring facility. Lucky for me, I love working at Aberdeen Proving Ground, so it's not a problem for me. It goes beyond a normal scholarship experience. First of all, most PhD students, compensation is not really the best. The SMART Scholarship is very different in that regard. It's very competitive when it comes to compensation. In addition to that, you're guaranteed a job after you graduate. That's a big deal. So if I could go back in time, I would probably tell myself to apply to this program earlier. I waited 3 years, or I worked for 3 years at Aberdeen Proving Ground before I applied. Apart from that, I'm very happy with the decisions I've made career-wise, and I'm glad to be part of the ARL family. So pretty excited about getting the PhD here and then going back to work there.